Hello guys. Welcome to Canada Hotel Explorer. Today I am reviewing the Latch Inn. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Sidney, 1.2 miles from Kayak Launch Beach, the Latch Inn has accommodations with a garden, free private parking, a terrace and a bar. With free Wi-Fi, this 3-star hotel offers room service and luggage storage space. Some rooms at the property feature a balcony with a garden view. At the hotel, all rooms have a closet, a flat-screen TV, a private bathroom, bed linen and towels. At the Latch Inn, every room is equipped with a seating area. Breakfast is available every morning, and includes full English, Irish, American and vegetarian options. Brentwood Bay Ferry Terminal is 10 miles from the accommodation, while the Butchart Gardens is 11 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Victoria International Airport, 2.5 miles from the Latch Inn. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.